Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad KHAIRUL FAHIM bin ZAINAL. My matrix number is 16DE23F1010. Today we will present about diodes. So first we move to basic of a diode. First, let's understand what a diode is. Imagine a tiny electronic gate that allows current to flow in only one direction. That's what a diode does. It has two terminals, the anode, which is positive, and the cathode, which is negative. Diodes are made from semiconductor materials like silicon and germanium. Their special properties comes from something called a PN junction. This is the point where two different semiconductor materials meet, controlling the flow of current. So we move to IV characteristic curve of a diode. Now let's talk about how a diode behave when voltage is applied. This is shown by its IV characteristic curve. In the forward bias region, when the anode is positive, the current starts flowing after a certain threshold voltage. For silicon diodes, this threshold is about 0.7 volts. Beyond this, the current increases rapidly. In reverse bias, when the anode is negative, almost no current flow, just a tiny leakage current. However, if the reverse voltage gets too high, the diode breaks down and conducts heavily. This is usually unreliable, except for special diodes like ZANAL.
Assalamualaikum madam and friends. Today I will present about principle of diode operation. So let's break down how a diode works. First, forward bias. Imagine opening a gate when the positive voltage is applied to the anode. The gate open and current flows. This is why diodes are so useful for rectifying AC into DC. Number 2, reverse bias. Now imagine looking at the gate when the anode is negative. The gate will close, blocking current. This behavior is helpful in protecting circuit from incorrect voltage direction. Next is application of diodes. Where do we use diodes in real life? Here are some examples. First, rectification, converting alternative current into direct current. Number 2, signal clipping and shaping signals in communication circuit. Number 3, voltage regulation. Diode maintain constant voltage in power supplies. Number 4 is lighting. LEDs provide energy efficient lighting and indicators. Number 5, circuit protection. Diode prevent damage from reverse polarity. Think of this as everyday superheroes in electronic. They work behind the scenes, but are vital to our device. Transition to transistor. Now let's briefly connect these two transistors. A transistor which is more advanced is essentially made of two diodes back to back. This means the basic principle we have covered about diodes also form the foundation for understanding transistor. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Firdaus. ZAKI. My matrix number is 16DE23F1016. Okay, application of transistor. Transistor are widely used for two main purposes. Number 1 is switching, turning signal or power on and off in digital circuit. And number 2 will be application structuring weak signal such as audio system. By combining diode and transistor, we can build complex circuit that power almost all modern electronics. Or in conclusion, to wrap up, we could cover the basic of diode, their 4 characteristic, curve, working principle, and application. We also explored how diode connect to transistor, which are essential for more advanced electronic function. Diode might seem small and simple, but their impact on electronics is immense. They're the unsung heroes enabling the technology we use daily.